Welcome back to Stitches and Tales with Rue. If you are new, I'm so happy that you are here and that you found my channel. If you don't mind, please smash on that subscribe button, hit on that like button, and let's get pulling around. Today I'm going to be creating a Peeps personalized plush. It is a 10-inch plush. So to start out, we are going to go into Cricut Design Space. I'm going to go into my stuff and I'm going to click on Peeps names for the Easter. It pulls up and I've already got a couple of names designed in here. I'm going to be doing the one for my granddaughter Callie today, so I'm going to go ahead and click customize and pop it up on the screen, and I'm going to go ahead and kind of delete these other two for now. We won't save it that way, and I will move up my Callie Bug. Okay, so I can move those together. I'm going to group them like so, and then I'm going to come over here to the bottom where it says attach, and I'm going to attach the two. That way when I move them, it moves it as one piece. Okay, so now we're going to go up to make it. Then we're going to come over here and we're going to click on mirror, and you'll see that my image flipped here, and we're going to come down over to here and we're going to click to continue, and it's going to connect to the machine. Okay, so it's now connected to the machine. I already have my vinyl loaded, and we're going to come over here and we're just going to press the Cricut button, and then it's going to prepare, and it's going to cut it out. I do need to clean my vinyl boards. Okay, we're going to let that cut and we'll be right back. Okay, so now we're going to weed the design. So I'm going to pull the tape off of this corner. I'm just going to put this in, grab a piece, and pull it up away from the plastic, and then just start kind of peeling back. And as you're designing, sometimes you just need to kind of place your finger where the design is. Go ahead and start from this side. You can see, kind of push it through. Just heard my Cricut beep, or my heat press, my HTV Ront heat press beep. It's ready to heat up. So as you can see, we're just going to pull the vinyl and it's going to pull the lettering. So let me get this and we'll be right back. Okay, so we have her name weeded out. So I'm going to go ahead and place it on the bunny, and we will heat it up with my HTV Ront Easy Press. Okay, so I'm just going to place it on my bunny, and I'm going to put my heat protectant over it. And okay, so I've got my heat press. It's set at 330. My heat press is set at 330 for 30 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and push the button there for the timer, and you can see it counting down there. Okay, so it is done. Take it off there. Move the sheets. We're going to move that, and then we have our finished peep. Nice and smooth. Be careful, sometimes you don't want to peel it off too soon and it's a little warm, so you want to make sure it doesn't burn to the touch. This is a 10-inch Peep. I got it from the Dollar Tree. It was $3. And there you go. Thank you for watching. If you liked my video, please make sure you hit that like button, smash on that subscribe button, and leave me a comment. And until next time, let's keep pulling around.